Introducing the GraphicsFlow October 2024 Art Drop. For October, we're starting off with school designs. We've included a retro patch design with a weathered effect, a mascot repeat design, as well as another patch design with claw marks that can be used for wildcats or even lions, tigers, or bears. Next up is basketball. We've included a splatter print, a new spin on a hoop and net basketball design, a modern patch design with a stylized basketball, as well as a retro basketball design with a multiple drop shadow effect. We've included two new hockey designs, both with a skull clip art image. First design is a patch layout with a weathered text effect, and the second design is a classic athletic look. For October, we've also included a variety of winter sports, starting off with snowboarding. We have a classic collegiate style with a background that's composed of halftones. There's a circular crust design that's ideal for doing patches. This design can easily be adapted for other sports or activities by simply swapping out the clip art. And we've also included a poster look that has a halftone background. We've included a series of retro winter sports designs taking us back to the 50s and 60s, including two ski designs and a curling design. Each design has a weathered effect to give it that vintage feel. We've included a fitness section representing yoga, weightlifting, as well as boxing. These designs incorporate a variety of classic styles. Sticking with our winter theme, we've created a section of winter event designs, including a winter landscape design that's highly illustrated, a new patch layout designed around a winter retreat, as well as a poster layout with natural themes including wildlife. Last up is holiday events. We've put a new spin on that ugly Christmas sweater look, as well as a new design that incorporates an illustration of jolly old Saint Nick. Lastly, I want to go over the favorites functionality we added earlier in the year. And you'll notice next to each thumbnail image, you'll see a heart there. If I select that heart, I'm favoriting that design, and that's going to allow me to select that design quite easily in the future by going over to All Designs and selecting Favorites. So you can see that that design is there. And if I choose to, I can unfavorite it. I can also filter by design. So in that case, I'm going to type in winter. Now only my winter design will be displayed. Now another technique here is if I click on this design, I can add it to an art approval. I created an art approval that's built around holiday designs. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that to my art approval. That creates a curated collection of holiday designs. And then I can use the sharing link, invite collaborators. If I want to use these designs to collaborate with a customer, I can grab this view only link, copy it, and then incorporate it into a marketing campaign or email. The favorites function is not only available in design ideas, but it's also available in clip art as well as in fonts. Make sure to subscribe to the GraphicsFlow YouTube channel, and if you have further questions, reach out to the GraphicsFlow Success Team.